Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Charlotte County, southeastern Campbell County, north central Halifax County until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Head Creek, or near Brookmeal, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookmeal, Head Creek, Sachs, Wren, and Aspen.